Hey guys, Max Jeffy here, and sorry if I haven't done any unboxing videos in a while. I was busy with other stuff. So today 2 packages have come, so let's see what they are. Alright. And here's the first one, which is my VHS copy of Rover Dangerfield. Yeah, it's a very good movie, this one. I've never seen it, but hopefully I'll watch it soon. Secret Gardening. Oh god, the live action Dennis the Menace. I don't like that film. There it is, says Rover Dangerfield, and here's a tape. Oh god, Free Willy. I hate that movie because it's so emotional. So yeah, can't wait to watch this movie. And this movie has one of the funniest songs in history called I'll Never Do It on a Christmas Tree, which is a very funny song, to be honest. And yeah, so there's Rover, Daisy, Raffles, and all the other farm animals. The dog who gets no respect. So yeah. But yeah, I can't wait to watch this. I might rewatch this along with Cats Don't Dance because yeah. Okay, next one up we got is Fruits Basket Fan Book Cat. So this is a fan book all about Fruits Basket, the 2001 series. So yeah, it looks really good. I can't wait to read this. So yeah, the #1 selling shoujo manga in America, and it's by Tokyo Pop. So yeah, thanks for watching and peace.